Emmy Cantadia, inspired by our founder EJ Emmy, United by Purpose. Ang Emmy Cantadia ay hindi lang basta team name, isa itong simbolo ng tapang, pagkakaisa at pagmamahal na pinapanday ng EJ Agency at pinapangunahan ng inspirasyon ni Miss Emmy. Hango sa salitang Encantadia na kilala sa lakas, kapangyarihan at pagkakapatiran, binuo ang Emmy Cantadia bilang modernong kaharian ng mga goal-getters. Sa team na ito, bawat isa ay may boses, may halaga at may pangarap na sabay-sabay naming inaabot. E stands for empowerment. Dahil dito, binibigyan tayo ng lakas ng loob harapin ang kahit anong challenge. M for mission. Malinaw ang layunin magtagumpay hindi lang para sa sarili, kundi para sa team. Y for yes attitude. Lagi kaming game, positive at ready makipagsabayan. Cantadia, a magical place na puno ng respect, love and unity, where everyone works hard but stays kind and grounded. Bilang Emmy Cantadians or Emmy1, we don't just aim to earn, we aim to grow, glow, and give back. Sa Pupu at sa EJ family, kami ang team na may puso, may respeto at may paninindigan. Emmy Cantadia, dito, bawat isa ay kampyon, sama-sama, sabay-sabay sa tagumpay.
Abisala, everyone. This is EJ Manager Gracia with the user ID of 11447746 of Team Emmy Cantadia. Mary Gracie Punyate in real world lives in Antipolo City, Philippines. 1 year and 10 months here in EJ Agency. I was invited by 16 babes. Happiest moment here in EJ Agency is when I became a manager. I'm glad that founder gave me her trust to manage EJ members. I was discovered on my first PLC held on February 2024. So those who have not yet joined PLC or Party Life Challenge, join now and experience the happy moment and to meet more friends. Who knows? You can also be discovered as a talent, manager, or admin. Just explore and enjoy. So please, don't forget to like and support our team, Team Emmy Cantadia. Thank you and God bless.
Abisala everyone, I'm EJ Nikay with user ID 43798729 of Team Emmy Cantadia. I'm Nikki Baculio Deloso from Cagayan de Oro City. I joined EJ last November 5, 2024, so I'm already 9 months here in EJ Agency family. And EJ Riyang is the one who invited me here. And my happiest moment here in EJ is when I got the title EJ Talent, and I met many EJ Angels here, and I even won a V8 sound card set from our team member EJ Rihanna Grace, and I even won a headset from our founder on her birthday event. And always, when founder is posting our events and our faces on her social media accounts, because I feel that she's very proud to each and every EJ Angels on their growth. And I am inviting our newbies to try and join our monthly challenges so you will experience the thrill and fun. And please don't forget to like and support our Team Emmy Cantadia. Thank you!
Abisala everyone, this is AJ Rose with user ID 256729666 of Team Emmy Cantadia. I'm Ruby Libalibas from Tril, Davao City. 1 year and 1 month na ako dito sa Pupu. Ang nag-invite sa akin ay si EJ Pep. My happiest moment here in Popo, pag sumali tayo ng mga challenges, magkaroon tayo ng mga bagong kaibigan. At sa mga hindi pa sumali ng challenges, sumali na kayo, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga newbies, para magkaroon kayo ng mga bagong kakilala at kaibigan. Please don't forget to like and support our team, Emmy Cantadia. Thanks.
Abisala everyone. In the kingdom of Popo, I am EJ Suriel with user ID 295-20913. My name is Christine in the real life from the city of gentle people, Dumaguete City, Philippines. Isa akong supervisor sa Shell Gasoline Station. Naging EJ member po ako since August 2024 with the guidance of EJ Bian. Lahat ng challenge walang pinalampas, kaya go go go, support sa bawat team. At sa bawat pagsali ko, bawat team na nabubuo, andon ang mga alaala na hindi kailanman mababaon sa limot. Dahil minsan, ang mga ka-teammates natin ang nagpapawi ng ating kalungkutan at pagkapagod o di kaya stress sa mga bagay-bagay. At dahil din sa mga pa-challenge, we were able to have friends and even families not by blood. Kaya sa mga kapwa ko EJ members, I encourage you all to join every challenge para ma-explore ang Popo World. Follow as many EJs as you can. You meet and greet them. Be kind, be polite, and abide by the rules. At huwag kalimutan, please support Team Emmy Cantadia.
Abisala everyone, this is EJ Dials with ID number 213914983. I'm an EJ member since April 25, 2024. I'm happy to be here in EJ family. I'm presenting an Emmy Cantadia team. Sa puso ko, EJ, ikaw lamang. Sa puso ko, walang iba. Thank you.
Abisala anyone, this is EJRJ with user ID 52992220. Galing po sa grupo ng Emmy Cantadia. Ako po pala si Arjun Erasmio from General Santos City. 4 months pa lang po ako dito sa AG Agency. Ang nag-invite po sa akin ay ang aking pinsan na si AG MK Anyera. Ang mga magagandang nangyayari sa akin dito sa aming agency ay maraming opportunity. Tulad po ng pagsali ko sa PLC at OPQ Challenge. At marami na po akong natatanggap na blessing. At nagpapasalamat din po ako na naging parte po ako ng AG Agency. Dahil sa AG Agency, marami po akong naging kaibigan. At huwag niyo pong kalimutan i-like at suportahan ang aming team Emmy Cantadia. Salamat po. God bless you po.
Abisala everyone, this AG Jomar with user ID 2192772 of Team in Emmy Cantadia. I was being here for 1 year at AG Agency on July 6, 2025, who invited me here at AG Agency, our Auntie Dorina Salcido. The happy things that happened to me here at AG Agency are many because I become an aspirant team leader here at our agency when there are challenges that we held every month. And I was able to participate in OPK Challenge, Party Live Challenge, and not only that, I was also able to withdraw here at our agency because of blessing given by our founder and member. I also have many friends here at our agency who give me strength and hope, who have also become my family. And to all the newbies here in our agency, I invite you to join our ongoing challenge here in our agency because this is where we can measure how strong we reality are in the trials that we come to use during every Party Live challenge. And above all, this is where we can meet new friends and socialize with other members in our agency. And above all, if we join here, we will able victorious and invincible because everyone will receive a gift from our founder when we finish the challenge in a month. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and support our team, Emmy Cantadia. Abisala, Eshma, Emiwan.
Avisala everyone, this is E.G. Nicole with the user ID 2353497 of Team Emmy Cantadilla. My real name is Nicole, and I am from the land where everyone experience of tropic here in the Philippines, none other than Quezon City. And ang tagal ko po dito sa aking EJ agency po is 1 year and 2 months. So pagka-join ko pa lang po sa Popo, pagka-download ko pa lang po sa Popo, automatic po ako nag-join po dito sa ating EJ agency. At ang nag-invite po sa akin ay si EJ Melanie. Siya po yung aking kapitbahay, and until now, siya po ay nasa ibang bansa po. Ayan. So, siya po ay OFW po. And the happiest moment ko yung naaya po ako ng ating butihing founder bilang candidate po ng EJ Public Star. So that time po, searching po ng EJ Public Star. But before po na ma-post po yung ang searching po ng EJ Public Star po, our founder, our dearest founder, our generous founder, privately message me po na kung pwede na mag-join po sa ating Public Star. So ako po ay nakilala bilang sa aking verbal charisma, and of course ako po yung mga nagpaingay. Ayan, nagpaingay po sa mga GCs, sa mga fans club po para po sa towering po ng Solo Live Challenge. Grabe po kasi yung support ko po sa kanila, and ayan, bilang isang ganti or bilang isang pabuya, ayan, ako po ay nahinirang na Best Support awardee po that time, and isa po yun sa malaking karangalan po na natanggap ko po. And for the first time ko din po na makakilala ng mga EJ, kasi personally hindi ko sila kilala, pero binigyan nila ako ng isang malaking inspirasyon, and ito po yung nag-udyok sa akin para mag-join po sa ating Public Star at makakilala pa po ng mga newbie, kasi alam ko yung mga pakiramdam ng mga newbie. So, ang aking advice, especially po sa mga newbies po natin na bagong sali po sa ating agency, ayan, magpakitang gilas tayo, ipalilabas natin yung talent natin. Kung wala tayong talent, kung from being madaldal, kung nahihiya, ayan, wag tayong mahiya. Kasi ito po sa Popo is online platform lang ito. So wala naman pong mananakal sa inyo. Ayan. Wala naman pong mananakit po sa inyo as long as you are being good to others. Ayan. So ini-encourage ko kayo, sali kayo sa challenge kasi yung iba hindi nila alam, pero kapag nandun na kayo, malalaman nyo na po yun. Ganon din po kami nung start. Di po namin alam yung mga challenges po, pero nung nandun na po kami sa scenario na yun, ayan, na-encourage kami na mag-join, at ayun, naging basic na lang po sa amin yun. So ngayon po na meron kaming management party live challenge po, ayan, in-encourage ko po kahit po kayo po ay member na sumali po kapag po nag-announce na po para po sa ating palista. Ayan, so don't forget po na mag-log in, log out sa ating website. And po ba yung mga pagganap po, nandoon po yun lahat sa website. So kita kids, thank you so much.
Avisala everyone, this is your EJ Media Influencer, EJ Mom C, with a user ID of 6069737. I am Jovindin Barrero Silva, and I am a Batang Mindanao. I came from Dipolog City, Zamboanga del Norte, and currently I am here based in Camelandia, United Arab Emirates. I started Pupu 2023, and I am so happy and I am so lucky enough that I am part of this EJ agency. So, I was once aligaw na pusa at napunta ako doon sa panel ng ating one and only EJ Custodian Mamu. And 2 years na akong mahigit na growing, going, at glowing as your EJ member, and almost 1 year na rin as EJ admin. Marami akong happy moments sa EJ Dito ko mas nakilala at na-express ang aking self, especially sa passion ko sa kaartihan. But the most happiest is I was recognized, I was heard, and I was celebrated. At especially, I became the EJ media influencer and get a chance to inspire others, and mostly without expecting to be part sa mga admins. So, I am inviting mga newbies at mga observing EJ members natin out there. Don't miss the chance na mag-join at mag-explore sa mga activities dito sa ating family. Especially itong Party Live Challenge, because it's like a 1 month na team building wherein you get a chance to know other EJ members. You get a chance to spread your network, to know more anyone dito sa EJ, since we are like growing almost pa 6,000 na tayo, so hindi natin maisa-isa na makilala lahat-lahat. So this is a connection sa other EJ members, and of course huwag tayong mahiya makisalamuha, makipag-friends, maki-connect and reach out para mas marami pa tayong makilala, mas marami pa tayong matutunan dito sa EJ Agency. And also, I am looking forward sa mga support. I am looking forward na you will support our agency and be active, kasi pag active tayo as EJ members, mas maraming biyaya tayong matatanggap. At magugulat ka na lang talaga na, oh, ito pala ang EJ Agency. Kaya pala maraming nagmamahal sa EJ Agency. So this is your EJ Mamsi saying, let's not just grow, but let's glow dito sa EJ Agency. Please don't forget to support our team, Emmy Cantadya. And thank you everyone. Again, this is your EJ Mamsi, your EJ Media Influencer. Good day. Mwah.